Welcome this video. A screen in a pouch is a delightful add to any home, often the perfect blend of outdoor and indoor area. Indoor space. Decoration. This vertical area can transforming its into a choosy retreat and entertainment hub or a relax sanctuary depend on your style and professional. Here are some decoration idea for guests that will inspire you to make the most of your screen pouch in choose a theme for control size design. Start with a theme that reference your personally oralium with the rest of your home decor. Popular theme impact rustic frame house, bamboo, modern or tropic. Rustic theme use wood furniture, lecturing style, lights, and natural fiber with give away cabin like feel. Modern theme clean line, minimalist furniture, and natural color work well. Add both color or palette for an explored top. Define The sit area set is in a screen pouch, comfortable, set like soft and long chair, relax, agreement furniture to create considering area, place, chair and soft area, craft, coffee table, allow for easy is convey for smart pouch. Consider use multi furniture, functional furniture such as branch with bed and story or rolling chair that can be removed area. Use outdoor range. We add color and comfort. Outdoor range are an easy way to add color, textile, and warmth to your screen pouch. Choose a range that complement your color scheme and is make for able weather resisting material. Both palette can create a focal point well more natural. Add soft element. Place the range under the set area to the furniture. Mark its feel like a defined space. Incorporating gardening and plants. Bring the outdoor in with pouch plants and plants or even a smart vertical gardening. Plants like fail, switch plants or surrounding in screen in a space with sunlight and plants can add gardening without take up full space. perfect for smart pouch, long pot plant, and covered can also create a lush tropical like be multiple of your climax and the amount of sunlight your pouch receive when select plants. Install lights for embrace. Lights is key to set the move on your screen pouch in the even consider a max of lights such as stand light, table lamp or wall secured. Lights add a soft warm and easy to install ML. We call a warm area pot. If your perfect is more published look, consider install a called fine with light. Not only add its bring up the space, but it's also help with various form month, incorporating a dining area. If your screen pouch is long, consider add a smart dining table and chair of outdoor mat. Look for table and chair make for weather resisting material like wood, metal or wicket. Decoration with art. Add or decoration. Price can personally your screen pouch, outdoor soft wall art matter sophistication. Weather resisting artwork can add interior to the wall. For a bohemian touch, consider an a warm wall decoration. This add textile, outdoor, our power, the space. Add a fire pick or hard for your rule use to make your pouch usable in color month. Consider a smart portable fire pick or an electric